Wildcard not working in subprocess call using Shlex. Language, Python v2.6.2. OS, x5.3. I'm using Python to restore some files from a backup to a test system. All commands are called in the manner below, however some just plain don't want to work. If I remove the S from the commands they work fine. Well, they work as they should without the wildcards, which is unfortunately not what I want. I really do not want to use shell equals true for obvious security reasons, however there are a couple of other commands that basically do the same thing. If there is a wildcard in the command it just won't work, it executes without error, just doesn't do anything. Interestingly, the following command, passed through Shlex, produces the following. MV 0653-401 cannot rename to /work/test/ a file or directory in the path name does not exist. It's as if Unix is now trying to move a file named rather than using as a wildcard. Is this typical behavior of Shlex? Edit. I have tried escaping the with it but not that I expected that to do anything.
For replacing the with what it means, you either need the shell or you need the glob module. So the easiest way would be shell equals true. If the command is constant, I do not see any security holes. Another approach would be or, if you would nevertheless append the path by yourself.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.